Hey guys, welcome back to another Logan Ollie show. We got a minute to chug this soda and not burp. First one to burp is out. Oh, it hurts. Ah, it hurts. I can't hold it anymore. I think I'm out. Well, I guess that's the end. We both burped. I still got it. You still burped. Are still coming. I can take my breakfast. Morgan! Bye guys, I'll see you in the next one.